She have a big tummy. See that, guys? She have a big tummy because she's pregnant. And look at this one. This one we have only one Carabao. Oh, she's here. You drink water na, preggy mommy. Oh. And we have kanding. If you see that, that's our kanding. I don't know where's the other one. She's going to drink, guys. Because, you know. Hello. Uy. Where's the mom? Where's the papa? Lakas mo naman uminom. Oops. Shh. Behave. That's fine. Nakalupad na. Bangin na di man ano. Manikyas. Look. She has a lot of water, but it's only one drink. The one balde, it's only one drink. Hey, 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 hey. I'm not touching you. Is that langaw or lamok?